I'm going to dig deep and expose everything you need to know about the Apple AirTag. Can I uncover the hidden truths behind this tech? Apple's AirTag is a small yet powerful tracking device that's been gaining popularity since its release. It's designed to help you keep tabs on your valuables, from your keys to your luggage, and even your pets. But as more and more people start using AirTags, concerns are growing about the potential risks and consequences of this technology. One of the biggest concerns surrounding AirTags is privacy. With the ability to track someone's location in real time, there are fears that these devices could be used to stalk or harass others. And it's not just theoretical, there have already been reports of people using AirTags to track their ex-partners or others without their consent. This raises serious questions about how Apple is protecting user privacy and whether more needs to be done to prevent misuse. Another issue with AirTags is their potential for abuse. For example, what's to stop someone from secretly tracking someone else's AirTag and using that information to their advantage? It's a scary thought, and one that Apple needs to take more seriously. The company has implemented some measures to prevent this kind of abuse, but more needs to be done to ensure that users are truly protected. Furthermore, AirTags have also raised concerns about surveillance capitalism, where companies collect and use data on users without their knowledge or consent. Apple's business model relies heavily on collecting user data, and AirTags are just another way for the company to gather more information about our lives. This isn't just a problem for Apple though, it's a broader issue with the tech industry as a whole. The technology behind AirTags is actually pretty fascinating. They use a combination of Bluetooth signals and Apple's Find My network to provide location data. This allows users to track their AirTags in real time and even get notifications when they're moved. Apple has also implemented a feature called AirTag Alerts, which will alert users if an unknown AirTag is following them. But despite these safeguards, there are still concerns about how secure AirTags really are. Apple has taken some steps to address these concerns, such as implementing end-to-end encryption and secure authentication protocols. However, more needs to be done to ensure that user data is truly protected. The company needs to be more transparent about how it's collecting and using data and provide users with more control over their privacy. One of the most high-profile cases of AirTag misuse was when a woman in the US discovered that her ex-boyfriend had been tracking her using an AirTag. She had no idea that he had planted the device on her car, and it wasn't until she received an alert from Apple that she realized what was going on. This case highlights just how easily AirTags can be used for nefarious purposes and why it's so important for Apple to take stronger action to prevent abuse. In another incident, a man was caught using an AirTag to track his coworker without her consent. He claimed that he was just trying to keep an eye on her, but the court disagreed, and he was charged with stalking. This case shows just how serious the consequences can be when AirTags are used inappropriately. The risks associated with AirTags are very real, and it's essential that users are aware of them. Apple needs to take a more proactive approach to preventing misuse and providing users with more transparency and control over their data. So what's the takeaway from all this? AirTags can be a useful tool for tracking your valuables, but they also pose some serious risks. It's essential to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect your privacy and security. By being informed and vigilant, we can make sure that we're using this technology in a way that benefits everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on AirTags in the comments below.